students, how are you bache? So today we are going to start with a new chapter of partnership firm, that is the third one of partnership. Chapter name is change in profit sharing ratio among partners, among existing partners. This is your first lecture for this chapter. We are going to start now. Okay? As you know that what is partnership? It is an agreement. That agreement which tells us about the relationship among the partners. When there is any change in the agreement, whether it is change of profit sharing ratio or there is any change, the old partnership agreement, it becomes ended. It ceases, it is finished, and the new agreement, partnership agreement take place. This thing is called as reconstitution of a firm. That means the old partnership agreement, it is no more. The new agreement will be taken place, and this concept of change is called as reconstitution of a firm. पुरानी फॉर्म कंटिन्यू है, एग्रीमेंट खत्म, दैट मीन्स दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट. डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, नॉट डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्म. फर्म कंटिन्यू है, एग्रीमेंट चेंज हो गया विद द चेंज इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. क्लियर है बच्चे? सो वन थिंग वी विल डिस्कस that when there is change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, there will be old partnership agreement no more and new partnership agreement will be taken place, and that concept is reconstitution of a partnership firm, which is also called as dissolution of partnership but not the partnership firm. Is it clear? Then there may be different other cases where we can say there is reconstitution take place. अगर मैं बात करूं, अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आ जाए पेपर में बच्चे कि what are the various cases where there is reconstitution take place? When reconstitution of the firm take place. Number one, the topic itself, when there is a change among partners, change among existing partners about their profit sharing ratio, about their profit sharing रेशो. और किस केस में बेटे रिकंस्ट्रक्शन हो सकती है? व्हेन देयर इज एडमिशन ऑफ एनी पार्टनर. व्हेन देयर इज एडमिशन ऑफ एनी पार्टनर. क्लियर? अगेन देयर विल बी partnership agreement will be going to change and reconstitution take place. When retirement of partner, in case of death of a partner, or it may be when there is amalgamation, already we have discussed, is also required reconstitution of the partnership firm where the old partnership agreement it ended and new partnership agreement take place. That concept is called as reconstitution of a firm, and it is possible in these different cases. So we will discuss very first case, that is change among existing partners related to or about their profit sharing. Clear to everyone? So we will start with that. Now, in case of any change due to change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner, क्या हो सकता है बच्चे? For example, we have three partners A, B and C. They have their old share of profit, that is 3:2:1. They are enjoying already. But in future, they want that their profit sharing rate should be equal among all the three partners. Now, due to this change, what will take place? Reconstitution will take place. Clear? New share 1:1:1, old share 3:2:1. So with the change, definitely there may be chances that any of the partner among three may be getting benefit or may be a loser of particular part of share. So we need to calculate that who is the gaining partner. Who is the gaining partner? And definitely there must be someone who is sacrificing his share of profit. That means sacrificing partner must be there. अगर कोई पार्टनर गेन कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली गेन क्यों कर रहा है कि कोई पार्टनर को सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ा. दैट मीन्स सेक्रीफाइसिंग एंड गेनिंग इट मस्ट बी इक्वल. तो जितना पार्ट हम गेन करेंगे उतना ही पार्ट किसी का सेक्रीफाइस भी होगा ही होगा. क्लियर है बच्चे? सो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट due to change in profit sharing ratio, one thing should be clear, that there is reconstitution of the firm. Reconstitution means the old partnership agreement, it will be finished and new agreement will be take place. That thing is called as reconstitution. Then we have taken one example. For example, there are three partners A, B, C. Already they have their old share of profit 3:2:1. But they want that in future the new ratio will be 1:1:1. अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो पता चलेगा कि कोई पार्टनर तीनों में से किसी को गेन होगा कुछ शेयर का पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉफिट का और किसी को लॉस होगा, सेक्रीफाइस होगा. सो वी मस्ट नो कि हु इज द गेनिंग पार्टनर एंड हु इज द सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. राइट बच्चे? क्लियर है? So we have particular formula to calculate gaining share of partner and sacrificing share of partner. If we have gaining partner's share, what is the formula to calculate gaining share of profit is equal to new share of profit minus old share of profit. When you use this formula, that is new minus old share of profit, you definitely get the gaining part of the gaining partner. Clear है बच्चे? And if we just calculate by this formula, there is any fraction in negative, अगर मान लीजिए आपका नेगेटिव में आ जाता है, in that case that partner who is having the negative share with the formula gaining share will be called as sacrificing partner. राइट बेटा? तो गेनिंग शेयर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? न्यू शेयर माइनस ओल्ड शेयर. By this we will just calculate the gaining share of a gaining partner. ये फॉर्मूला लगाते हुए अगर आपके पास नेगेटिव शेयर आ जाता है किसी पार्टनर का, दैट मीन्स दैट पार्टनर इज अ सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर, राइट? Likewise, we have other formula to calculate sacrificing ratio of profit. For that, we have old share of profit minus new share of profit. Again, by using this, we will get sacrificing share of any partner. इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करते हुए किसी पार्टनर का नेगेटिव आ जाता है, दैट शुड बी अ गेनिंग शेयर. ठीक है, नेगेटिव जिसका आएगा वो क्या कहलाएगा बच्चे? गेनिंग पार्टनर. Here, I'll just repeat this once again. There must be gaining partner, there must be sacrificing partner. मान लो एक का गेन 1/4 है, दूसरे का गेन सेक्रीफाइस कितना होगा? 1/4. क्लियर है बच्चे? इट शुड बी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. गेनिंग पार्टनर फॉर्मूला है गेनिंग शेयर निकालने का, न्यू शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट माइनस ओल्ड शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट विल बी गेनिंग शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट. When we use sacrificing ratio formula, which is old share of profit minus new share of profit, we definitely get sacrificing ratio, sacrificing share of a sacrificing partner. Clear है? Why there is need to calculate gaining partner share and sacrificing partner share? So that we must compensate the amount of goodwill by the gaining partner with gaining share to the sacrificing partner in the sacrificing share. ताकि जो उसको गेनिंग पार्टनर को गेन हुआ गुडविल का उतना पार्ट जो है उसने किसको देना है बच्चे? जिसको सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ा ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. तो इसमें क्या है चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में? वेरी फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट वी हैव डिस्कस, ड्यू टू चेंज द रेशियो इट विल बी रिकंस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ ए पार्टनरशिप फर्म. Then we have taken example like example A, B, C, three partners enjoying 3:2:1. The new share is 1:1:1. Gaining partner formula we have new share minus old share of profit. Then we have sacrificing ratio, that is old share of profit minus new share of profit. Will tell us about the sacrificing ratio. Clear bachche? Now we have taken this example. We will try to solve putting the values in this formula, so that it must be clear how it is to be calculated gaining part of the profit and sacrificing partner's share. So let us see. Now, using gaining profit share, that is gaining ratio of profit, it is new share minus old share of profit. We will take one by one. First partner A. His new share is 1/3 minus old share is 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 6. 3/6. We can simplify it. करिए इसको. LCM 6, 3 2 is 6. ऊपर क्या आ गया बच्चे? 2 minus 3 1/6 negative. That means if we just put the bracket, this partner is a sacrificing partner. क्लियर है बच्चे? क्योंकि हमने गेनिंग शेयर का फॉर्मूला लगाया, तो अगर नेगेटिव आया तो वो पार्टनर क्या कहलाएगा? सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. नाउ बी, his old share new share is 1/3, his old share is 2/6. Again we have LCM of 6. 3 2 is 6. 2 minus 2. There is no change. B का जितना पहले था, चेंज के बाद न्यू के बाद उसका उतना ही शेयर है. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस ऑफ एनी गेनिंग और सेक्रीफाइसिंग फॉर बी. देन वी हैव सी. हिज न्यू शेयर इज 1/3, हिज ओल्ड शेयर इज 1/6. इफ वी सिंप्लीफाई एलसीएम 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 1. ऊपर क्या आ गया बच्चे? 1. दैट मींस 1/6 ही इज अ गेनिंग पार्टनर. तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? what fraction we have gaining share, the same fraction should be of the sacrificing partner, because gaining partner से लेके हमने किसको देना है बच्चे, कंपनसेट किसको करना है, sacrificing partner. Is it clear? दो में भी हो सकता था और एक में भी हो सकता है, right बेटा? So this way we have to solve the number of sums to calculate the sacrificing and gaining share of partners. आप एक बार देख लीजिए इसको. Just see once how we have solved this. क्या दिया होगा, क्या चेंज आया, क्या रेशो का फॉर्मूला लगेगा, how we need to solve one by one all the partners share. Just see once, please. Clear? Now we will proceed further with one example, so as to clear the concept of sacrifice and gaining share of partners with change in the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. We will take one example which is given on page 4.3. The illustration first. Amit and Sumit, they are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. So very first thing is that you need to write the given information. So what will you write? Name of the partners, Amit and Sumit. Already old ratio, OR stands for old ratio. आप पूरा लिखें. Old ratio among them, between them, it is 2:1. Right, beta? It was decided by them to share profits equally with effect from 1st April 20. That means new ratio, it should be 1:1. Calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. What to calculate? Calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. दोनों की ये निकालनी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will just take one formula. अगर हम sacrifice ratio का formula लेते हैं बच्चे, it will be old share minus new share. वो भी फॉर्मूला ले सकते हैं, ये भी लेंगे, अगर ये लेंगे तो न्यू शेयर माइनस ओल्ड आ जाएगा, राइट? सो ओल्ड माइनस न्यू, इफ वी हैव टेकन द फर्स्ट पार्टनर नेम इज अमित. Old share of Amit is 2/3. New share of Amit is 1/2. When you solve it, 3 2s are 6 LCM, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. So what result we get? 1/6. उसका मतलब अमित का सेक्रीफाइस कितने बचे? 1/6. Another partner name Sumit. His old one is 1/3. His new one is 1/2. So when you simplify it, 3 2s are 6, 2. This is 3. Now if you see, it is negative. Negative means put in the bracket 1/6. So we use sacrificing share formula, old minus new. Any one partner share is negative, that partner is called as a gaining partner. तो आपके आंसर में क्या है बच्चे? सुमित is having gain of 1/6 and Amit is having sacrifice of 1/6. इसका मतलब when we treat the goodwill in the books of accounts, we will just put the entry from Sumit. We will give it the amount of goodwill to the partner Amit. हम later on करेंगे discuss कि how we have to show the accounting treatment of goodwill when there is change in profit sharing ratio among the existing. Just see once, it is very much easy that what we have given, how we need to calculate the different types of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Clear, bachche? So I am going to start with another example. That is on the same page. That is page 4.3, example 2. See the statement first. X, Y, Z, their partners sharing profit and losses equally. X, Y, Z. What is the old ratio given? Equally 1:1:1. It was decided that in future Z will get 1/5 share in profit. In future, 1/5 share in profits. Right, beta? Calculate the new profit ratio. New ratio of these two partners मिला के आपकी क्या बनती है? Calculate the new profit ratio and sacrifice and gain of the partners. हम ये भी निकालना बचे. Clear the statement? So in such type of question, what we need to do? As we know, this is the given information. We will start share of Z 1/5. It is given 1/5. New share लिख लीजिए आप, new share of Z. Let total share is 1. कर सकते हैं हम. अगर न्यू शेयर टोटल 1 है, उसमें से Z का शेयर बेटे कितना होना है? 1/5. शेयर ऑफ Z in it 1/5. रिमेनिंग शेयर बाकी कितना रह गया दोनों पार्टनर्स के लिए वो हम निकालेंगे. रिमेनिंग शेयर टोटल 1, Z share 1/5. That means remaining will be 4/5. X new share in the balance, in the remaining लिख लो, balance लिख लो, कुछ लिख लो बच्चे. In the remaining 4/5 is the remaining share. His old share is 1/3. अब देखो बच्चे 1/5 हमने उसको दे दिया, हमारे पास कितना रह गया? 4/5. और x y z का शेयर कितने हैं? 1:1:1. इसका मतलब ओल्ड शेयर में ही इक्वली वो लेंगे अपना. राइट बेटा? तो x और y का ओल्ड शेयर क्या? 1:1. 2/5. डेफिनेटली y का भी क्या आएगा बच्चे? 2/5. That means new ratio will be 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. It is 2:2:1. Clear है बच्चे? So this is how we have to calculate the NPR, that is new profit ratio, when one of the partner has been given with the new share of profit, that is 1/5, as we have taken this example. So what is the step we have to follow? We need to let the total share is equal to 1. Share of the given partner Z, that is 1/5. Remaining share of remaining two partners will be minus करके आपके पास आ गया 4/5. हमारे पास कुछ और नहीं दिया होगा कि किस पार्ट में वो करेंगे. सो ओल्ड शेयर विल बी यूज्ड. एक्स न्यू शेयर इन द रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट 4/5. रिमेनिंग शेयर रहेगा तो बच्चे 1:1. एक्स और वाई की शेयर है, दैट मींस इक्वली दे विल जस्ट डिवाइड 4/5 रिमेनिंग शेयर. व्हेन यू जस्ट हैव इक्वल शेयर ऑफ दिस, इट विल बी 4/10. अगर आप सिंपलीफाई करें 2/5 आ गया बच्चे. इसका मतलब दोनों का इक्वल है, दोनों का 4/5 में से इक्वल पार्ट निकालेंगे तो इट विल बी 2/5, 2/5. और z का ऑलरेडी कितना दिया हुआ है? 1/5. तो 5 डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो गया, तो आपके पास क्या रह गया? 2:2:1. दैट इज NP. क्लियर है बच्चे? एनी डाउट? आप एक बार देख लीजिए. अब इसके बाद हमें एक निकालना है बच्चे इनका गेन और सेक्रीफाइस. सो आई कैन राइट हियर 2:2:1. Is it clear? 2:2:1. We have calculated the new share. Now what is next to calculate as per the statement? That is again sacrificing share and gaining share of the partners. So for that we have to put the formula. We can have any one of them. Sacrificing share, the sacrificing ratio, that is old share of profit minus new share of profit. So let us use this. First of all, it is x. X old share is 1 by 3. X new share is 2 by 5. LCM comes out 15. It is 5. 3 2 is 6. That means negative. It is 1 by 15. तो अगर हम सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो का फॉर्मूला लगाएं और हमारे पास नेगेटिव आए इसका मतलब वो कौन है बच्चे गेनिंग पार्टनर जीपी स्टैंड्स फॉर गेनिंग पार्टनर नेक्स्ट इज y his old share is 1 by 3 new share is 2 by 5 that means when you solve it it is again 1 by 15 gaining partner then we have z's old share is 1 by 3 new share is 1 by 5. Simplify it. It is 55 and minus 3 comes out 2 by 15. तो अगर आप देखें तो ये सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर हो गए दोनों गेनिंग हो गए इसका 2 है तो इनका 1 1 है इसका मतलब सेक्रीफाइसिंग शेयर क्या है 1:1 और गेनिंग शेयर क्या बचे 2 by 15. So this is how we have to calculate the share of the partners as a gaining share and sacrificing share. Clear to everyone? So one part of the topic we have finished, that is with the change in profit sharing ratio, how we calculate the sacrifice share of a partner, how we calculate the gaining share of a partner, and definitely there is need to calculate gaining share and sacrificing share of the partners because of change, so that we must compensate from the amount of goodwill to the sacrificing partner from the gaining partner. For that, when we just start with the accounting treatment of goodwill, due to change in profit sharing ratio, we will put one entry that is gaining partners capital or current account directly to sacrificing partners capital or current account. Clear everything? And already I have sent you people assignment for your previous chapter, that is change goodwill, and I feel you must have been solved that assignment. I'll just send you key for that also to check your answers yourself, and PDF with the deleted syllabus of your topics of your accountancy +2 class. Must go through yourself what are the various topics that has been deleted from your curriculum. Some of the students they were having the doubt which topic has been deleted, so I have sent the PDF for that. Clear है And there was one more thing, that if there is any doubt, any query related to the previous topic we have completed, that is goodwill treatment, you may come with your doubts with the help of WhatsApp group. Okay बच्चे, आप अपने WhatsApp group पे वो doubts फिर से clear कर सकते हैं. आप अपने जो भी doubts होंगे वहाँ पे mention करिए, तो I will just see that whatever your doubts are there, I will try my best to clear those doubts of yours. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.